question is, when is it good to use a low a day stop? Looking at the pins breakdown video that Shake did, he went with a low a day stop. My question is, how did he know to go low a day stop rather than his stop under support?
So what I tried to explain very clearly in that video is that it was a pure breakout setup. So whereas a support buy, you're buying against a support level, and the stock can chop around. You could be in it for weeks at a time. Volume's not that important. Mm-hmm. I'm buying off of a support level. But for Pinterest, where it was, this 40 level, and we were buying it because of the high volume, taking out the resistance level. Mm-hmm. That's when I'm going to go low a day stop, and I need to see that volume sustain, and I need to see the stock close above that resistance level, or I'm very likely downsizing my position, or maybe even getting out in total. So the main difference there in that is that support buy is the more high probability buy. That's what we want you to focus on, because you have time on your side. Whereas a breakout setup like Pinterest, I need that to work that day, and it's a much lower probability setup, but you can get some tight risk and some good stock that way by being able to read volume. So it's all about the setup, breakout setup versus support buy. That's it.